6. Why does this matter? ITL is no longer viewed simply as a token to be distributed. It is a strategic treasury asset that should be managed with long-term capital discipline. Instead of requesting additional AITL from the foundation, Interlink Labs uses its own treasury to acquire ITL from the market. This requires labs to generate revenue, manage budgets responsibly, optimize spending, and operate with greater financial discipline. The foundation should not become an unlimited source of token issuance. Its role is to govern and protect the long-term interests of the ecosystem, while organizations should gradually become financially independent. Independent treasuries create greater transparency, accountability, and healthier checks and balances across the ecosystem. Instead of continuously creating selling pressure through token distribution, Interlink aims to create sustainable buying pressure by bringing ecosystem value back into the market through ITL buybacks. Interlink Labs' willingness to spend real capital to acquire ITL is the strongest demonstration of its long-term confidence in the value of ITL. Organizations should compete by creating more value, not by receiving more token allocations. If an organization wants additional ITL to expand its products or community initiatives, it should first create enough value to acquire ITL from the market. This encourages operational excellence, financial discipline, and long-term accountability. Reverse auction is only the mechanism. The real objective is to build organizations that earn the right to own ITL instead of relying on continuous allocations. The best way to demonstrate confidence in an asset is not to distribute it, but to acquire it. Another important aspect of this proposal is the separation of responsibilities. The foundation focuses on governance and protecting the long-term interests of the ecosystem, while Interlink Labs focuses on building products, generating revenue, managing its own treasury, and executing long-term strategies. This separation aligns incentives, creates healthier checks and balances, and strengthens the long-term sustainability of the ecosystem. 7. Interlink's long-term principles. No pre-sale, ICO, IDO, or private token sales. Community reward programs have primarily been funded using company treasury assets such as USDT and USDC instead of continuous ITL emissions. Every use of ITL is subject to strict governance, treasury discipline, and multiple layers of approval. Organizations should gradually become financially independent instead of relying on continuous foundation allocations. Ecosystem growth should ultimately be supported by real products, real businesses, and real economic activity. The reverse auction mechanism is only the first step toward that vision. The long-term objective is not merely to reduce circulating supply or support the market in the short term. The objective is to build an ecosystem where organizations create enough value to acquire ITL from the market instead of continuously requesting new allocations. Ultimately, every organization within the Interlink ecosystem should strive to earn the right to own ITL, not receive it by default. The long-term success of Interlink will not be measured by how many ITL we distribute. It will be measured by how many organizations create enough value to buy ITL back from the market